What are you going to cheer? Are you going to make up a cheer? Okay, ready?
Cheer for Auntie. Rah, 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 rah. Auntie. Rah, rah, rah.
Say auntie, auntie. Yay!
Say woo!
Jump up and down. Woohoo! Yay! Oh, yay! Okay, do a cheer.
How do you do cheer?
You say something. Say like R-Y-L-I-N. My name is Rylan, and I'm awesome.
Rah, 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 rah.
Mom, I'm trying to say my word.
Say R-Y-L-I-N.
R-Y-L-I-N.
My name is Rylan,
My name is Rylan.
and I rock.
And
And then jump. Woo! Yay! Gorgeous.
Do you want to try?